Hey guys, my name is Tracy Newton and I'm an Aveda Influencer Artist. I've been in love with Aveda for over 10 years and I work behind the chair at a salon in Vancouver, BC, Canada. My passion has always been education and I've mentored many young stylists across Canada. So today I'm going to teach you about Aveda's new Botanical Repair system as well as some insider tips on how to properly blow dry and style your hair. So what is Botanical Repair? It's a 4-step at-home system. You can take that salon experience and bring it right back into your home. It's powered by botanical ingredients that are really going to help to strengthen and repair deep into the core of the hair. And it's also formulated for all hair types and textures. It has an amazing aroma of ylang ylang, marjoram, and rose. So we have first our strengthening shampoo. We have the strengthening daily conditioner. We have 2 intensive strengthening masks. So we have a light and a rich, and then we have a strengthening leave-in treatment. Okay, so this is my natural hair texture before. It is on the finer side, and I am a solid bleach out blonde, so my hair is definitely going to be more fragile. As you can see, the ends of my hair are a little bit more distressed and damaged from my color service, and my hair is approximately 2 days dirty right now. Step 1 is to cleanse your hair. What I love most about the strengthening shampoo is its ultra lightweight formula. The texture comes out almost like a gel, and as you emulsify it in your hands, it turns into this amazing creamy consistency. It will lather greatly in the shower and give your hair an amazing cleanse. Once you've emulsified it between your hands, apply it evenly all over and try not to use your palms. Start at the sides and then move your way to the top and finish in the back. Ensure you use small back and forth motions with just your fingertips. Try lifting the hair slightly off the scalp to ensure it gets a good cleanse. When I've used a dry shampoo or it's been longer than a few days in between shampooing, I definitely recommend washing twice. For fragile ends, think of your hair as a delicate hand wash shirt. Light, gentle movements. The crown can be the hardest part, so if you have really thick, long hair, I recommend shampooing this area separately. Next, you want to condition your hair. Here you have the option to use the daily conditioner, which is going to formulate to protect and prevent hair from the inside out, or you can use one of the intensive strengthening masks. I like to get most of the water out before I apply. Focus on the ends of the hair, and again, think of your hair as a delicate hand wash shirt. For extra long hair, I recommend gathering your hair into a low ponytail and starting the application there. Anything left over in your hands, you can then apply closer to the scalp. I really love to use the light intensive strengthening mask out of the shower and creating more of an at-home spa experience. This mask is for fine to medium hair types, so a fine-haired gal's dream. I've always struggled to find a mask that doesn't weigh down my hair. It has a macro green blend of avocado oil and green tea oil and sachi inchi oil for that added repair my hair needs. Apply to wet shampooed hair and comb through. Ensure you get good saturation on those mid-lengths and ends. You can process up to 10 minutes. Then we have the Botanical Repair Rich Intensive Mask. This comes in a traditional butter pot and is really for thick to coarse hair types. Rich doesn't necessarily mean more intensive. It's very specific to the type of hair you have. It has added shea butter, coconut oil, and sunflower seed oil. The texture of this is much thicker and heavier, so ideal for those thick, coarse hair types. After you've processed the mask, ensure you rinse it out thoroughly. Now that I'm out of the shower, I've detangled my hair. My hair is very porous because I am a bleach out blonde. So I want to ensure that I pat dry the excess moisture out of my hair and don't rub, as that will create more frizziness and dryness. Next, I'll use the strengthening leave-in treatment and using a pea-size amount for shorter hair. For longer hair, you can use the size of a quarter and apply to your mid-lengths and ends. This will protect and preserve your hair from any heat styling. Airflow and heat setting is super important. I recommend for finer hair texture to use a low heat setting, and for coarser hair texture, a higher heat setting. How you hold the blow dryer is also super important. Oftentimes I see my clients pick up the blow dryer and they hold it in the front. You want to ensure you hold it from the back so that the direction of the airflow goes down the cuticle to smooth. It also allows you to have a little bit more root control. I'm going to mostly be using my hands to dry, and I'm going to be brushing it from one side over to the other side to get most of the moisture out, and then I'll finish with a brush. Okay, so I finished my blow dry and my hair feels amazing. I can see that the ends of my hair are a lot smoother. I have way more shine, and to be honest, my hair hasn't felt this amazing. It still feels like hair. It's not oily, hasn't been weighed down. I'm in love.